Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions. In this video, I will show how to install SAP GUI 7.70 version on Windows 10 computers. At first, we need to extract the setup file by 7-zip, or WinRAR. See the video description about the SAP GUI version 7.40 setup tutorial. Extract done. Now we will set up this. Click the right button on the setup file and run as administrator. The installation process is starting. Click on Next. Now select, or give a tick mark as per your requirement. After this, click on Next. Again, click on Next and setup will start. Please wait until the installation process is complete. Friends, we all know that SAP stands for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. SAP is the market leader in ERP software and helps companies of all sizes. Installation is complete. Now we can configure the SAP system as per our company server. Now click on SAP System and run SAP GUI 770. We can log on to our company server by IP, user ID, and password. Next, I will make a video about using SAP 7.70 version. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.